Sydney is the capital of New South Wales and is the largest city in Australia by population, boasting over 5 million residents. The Sydney Opera House, an iconic architectural marvel, was designed by Danish architect Jørn Utzon and opened in 1973 after years of construction. The Sydney Harbour Bridge, often called the Coat Hanger, is one of the largest steel arch bridges in the world and spans 1,149 meters, 3,770 feet, across the harbour. Sydney's coastline features over 100 beaches, with Bondi Beach being the most famous, attracting surfers and sunbathers alike. The city's population is remarkably diverse, with over 250 nationalities represented and more than 180 languages spoken. The Royal Botanic Garden in Sydney covers 30 hectares and is home to thousands of plant species, making it a lush oasis in the middle of the bustling city. Sydney is known for its vibrant arts scene, hosting the Sydney Festival, the Biennale, and numerous theatre productions throughout the year. The city is surrounded by national parks, including the Blue Mountains National Park, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its stunning landscapes and hiking trails. Sydney was founded in 1788 when Captain Arthur Phillip established the first British penal colony in Australia, leading to its historical significance. The city experiences a temperate climate, with warm summers and mild winters, making it a desirable destination year-round. Sydney's public transport system includes trains, buses, ferries, and light rail, providing comprehensive coverage throughout the metropolitan area. The Sydney Tower, standing at 309 meters, 1,014 feet, is the tallest structure in Sydney, offering panoramic views of the city from its observation deck. The city is home to some of Australia's top universities, including the University of Sydney and the University of New South Wales, attracting students from around the globe. Sydney's Darling Harbour is a bustling waterfront precinct featuring shops, restaurants, and attractions such as the SEA Life Sydney Aquarium. The Sydney Fish Market is one of the largest seafood markets in the world, supplying fresh catches to local restaurants and residents. The indigenous Gadigal people of the Eora Nation were the original inhabitants of the Sydney area, and their rich culture continues to influence the city today. Sydney is a hub for international business and finance, housing the Australian Securities Exchange and numerous multinational corporations. The city hosted the 2000 Summer Olympics, known for its spectacular opening ceremony and significant urban development as a result of the event. Taronga Zoo, located on the shores of Sydney Harbour, is home to over 4,000 animals and focuses on wildlife conservation and education. The Sydney Mardi Gras is one of the largest LGBTQ+ pride festivals in the world, celebrating diversity and inclusivity with a grand parade and various events. The city's nightlife is vibrant, with areas like King's Cross and Newtown offering an array of bars, clubs, and live music venues. The Sydney Tower Skywalk allows visitors to walk around the outside of the tower at a height of 268 meters, 879 feet, providing a thrilling experience. The Historic Rocks District features cobblestone streets, historic buildings, and markets, offering a glimpse into Sydney's colonial past. The annual Vivid Sydney Festival transforms the city into a spectacular light, music, and ideas festival, showcasing stunning light installations and projections. Sydney's climate is classified as humid subtropical, characterized by warm summers and mild winters, with rainfall occurring throughout the year. The city has an extensive bike-sharing program and numerous cycling paths, promoting eco-friendly transportation options. Sydney's New Year's Eve fireworks are among the most famous in the world, drawing millions of spectators both in person and via television broadcasts. The Sydney Opera House hosts over 1,500 performances each year, ranging from opera and ballet to theatre and concerts. The Australian Museum in Sydney is the oldest museum in the country, focusing on natural history and Indigenous cultures. Sydney Central Business District, CBD, is home to several skyscrapers, including the International Towers and the Citigroup Centre. The city's annual Sculpture by the Sea is an outdoor exhibition that showcases large-scale sculptures along the coastal walk from Bondi to Tamarama. Sydney is known for its coffee culture, with countless cafes serving high-quality brews, particularly in neighborhoods like Surrey Hills and Glebe. The Sydney Olympic Park, the site of the 2000 Olympics, has been transformed into a large recreational area with sports facilities, parks, and walking trails. The city is a significant film production hub, with numerous studios and locations used for both Australian and international films. The iconic Manly Ferry offers stunning views of the Sydney Harbour and is a popular mode of transport for both residents and tourists. Sydney's Chinatown is one of the largest in the Southern Hemisphere, featuring a vibrant array of restaurants, shops, and cultural events. The city has a thriving startup scene, supported by various incubators and accelerators that foster innovation and entrepreneurship. Sydney is a leading destination for international tourists, attracting millions each year who come to enjoy its attractions and natural beauty. The city hosts the annual Sydney Writers' Festival, celebrating literature and bringing together authors, poets, and readers from around the world. The Sydney Towers Revolving Restaurant, 360, offers a unique dining experience with rotating views of the city skyline. The Sydney Harbour National Park includes several islands, including Fort Denison and Shark Island, which are popular for picnicking and outdoor activities. The city is known for its street art scene, with neighborhoods like Newtown and Surrey Hills showcasing vibrant murals and graffiti.